Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in a Dollar Tree and I just see this stuff over here for Mother's Day, so I wasn't gonna record, but here we are. It says you're the best. Brave, strong love, of course. These are moms. Oh, those are in the boxes, okay. And then they do have the lip sleeping mask. It's a mango, gummy bear, and berry. We did see those. Look at these LED floral lights for $125. So white flower, the pink flower, and these are $125. There's I Love You, BFF, the star. Spring LED candles. Oh, it's also in blue. The makeup sponges with the pouch in pink and blue. Pearl makeup puffs, purple, pink. The eye pearl mask. I see purple. The other one has to be pink. Let's see. Yep, pink.
Thank you.
Just so y'all can see the color. I was getting ready to say, I'm not gonna be able to put it back. Some photo frames. The tray. It's a glass tray, some candles, white sandalwood, Aloha Hibiscus, apple blossom. Some, what are these, like jewelry boxes? Glass containers. These are cute. These are real cute. Oh, these are $3. That's this one. So it's these two colors. Clear and pink. And look at the mirrors. These picture frames. I'm gonna come back to those cards in a minute. But they have the Global Beauty Care, so it's calming, smooth and lift. These have little mirrors at the bottom, gold and silver. These were here before. It's the Love Struck, Cherry Blossom, Everlasting Love, and Vanilla Scent, Dermasil. There's Daily Face Cream and Night Cream. I think these are so cute because they had the theme like this for Valentine. The eye patches. The microfiber head wraps. These were small though. It won't even fit Riley's head. I ended up just giving them both to Skyra. I had bought one for Dee Dee's girlfriend, but yeah, she has way too much hair for that. So there's the scrunchy ones. So yeah, these are kind of small. And the combs. I did keep the cup of comb though. The tangling combs. Cute little flower. Purple. Power serum. It says 6 benefits. Refined texture, even tone, firm, hydrate, smooth, brighten. Tinted lip balm and the retinol. Love color spell. Some makeup bags. Stuff. Mama. And Mama. Some sensitive wax body strip kits. a 20-piece kit, 10 body strips, 6 face strips, 2 bikini underarm, and 2 cleansing wipes. Oh, that's something. Okay. The brush sets, 8 pieces, mini brush sets, the night serum, this hair and daytime repairing hair mask, these bottles. Ready, some hair mask, shea butter and coconut, and restore and thicken. Spa Essentials is Glow, Niacinamide Serum, Dew, Hyaluronic Acid, and Plump Collagen Serum. Here's those. The spa headbands with the wrist slits. They have some of the cherry blossom. I think we saw this one, but it's the body wash, body lotion, body scrub. There's a revitalizing serum, glow up serum, and a glow renewing serum. Pomegranate, the strawberry, and avocados. Cosmetic cases, some loofahs, exfoliating gloves, the pedicure set comes in 2 different colors. And these headbands, a face mask, got these cute cards. Happy Mother's Day. It's your day. Happy Mother's Day with the butterfly. You are the heart of the family. Happy Mother's Day no matter what, no matter how you say it. For the sweetest mom. Happy Mother's Day, Super Mom. And this one. And there's some graduation cards. Grad. There's well done. Congratulations. Class of 2025. Congrats. Congratulations, 2025 grad. You've just done yourself and your family proud. And this one. Some cute palettes. Perfectly rose, perfectly peachy, and perfectly flushed. Blueberry, what's this one? Whiskey white. Blush with envy. Strawberry. Sun drenched. First light. Some buttercream, man. We did see those. I gotta excuse the babies. It's spring break. CVO Color Vibe. It's a vibe. Some nail polish. I'm not gonna say all the colors. We're just gonna take a little browse at the shades they have. That's a cute green. All of these are cute, and these colors. Cause y'all know I could just stand up there and read them all, but some of y'all get annoyed when I read everything. They have the Aloha Hibiscus. That set, I think that's like the 6th set that we've seen. Oh look, cute little acne patches. Riley had the nerve to ask me for acne patches. I'm like, girl, you don't even know what acne is yet. Stop pressuring yourself. Slow down. But I think she watches YouTube and then she sees all the other girls with this stuff. So that's what they do. Influence. Everybody's influencing. I saw something over here. Now, I definitely wouldn't use any of this, but I guess some people can. So it's the feminine foaming wash, the mandarin orange, and the creamy coconut. That will flare me up like crazy, but if you can use it, just for us, warm and jelly. Okay, there's some raspberry mist, ultra sensitive skin, the Brazilian mist, some shaving cream, vanilla lavender scent, and coconut cream. I always see like one or two of these. The intimate shave cream, the vanilla cake, and some more feminine wash. This is with pomegranate and hibiscus extract. Oh, that's some cute little bath bombs. With the bathtub mini paint set. We saw these in the sprays, but now they have the plug-ins. What's this? Sweet Rain and Peach and Lavender. Ocean Breeze. Some of the put lids on it. I'm just being big-eyed and greedy now. Look at there's chili lime, potato chips, original cheddar, sour cream and onion. I'm gonna get these, the Funyuns. And then there's Pringles hot ones. Oh, a ready-to-drink mocktail. Strawberry margarita. And the lime margarita. Kind of drinks over here. But that's going to be it for us in this Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so much for clicking. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Look at the warheads.